Hello everybody, welcome back here, and today I'm going to be drawing Deadpool from Deadpool 2. This movie was awesome. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I'm not going to give any spoilers about the movie, but I'm going to be drawing him, and it is a very fun drawing to do. But anyway, the materials I used in this drawing that you'll see me using in most of my drawings, I used a Copic outliner for the whole outline. I like this Copic outliner because it actually does not smudge like any ordinary outliners, so I recommend using that as an outliner. Then I use my standard Copic markers, mainly a cardinal red and a cherry red chapstick red, and then lipstick red. Then I used a whole bunch of other different blends of reds and Prismacolor pencil reds. And then for the black, I usually use my standard Copic black marker, then a Uniball white blend over it with my white jelly roll type pen. It's my favorite material to use when I'm drawing. So I hope you guys like this cool drawing of Deadpool from Deadpool 2. It was a very, very cool drawing and a very cool movie, so I recommend watching it. So, thank you guys so much and enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this drawing of Deadpool because it was very fun to draw. This took roughly around 3 hours. Once again, I am quite of a speed drawer, and it is about not a foot long, maybe 8 inches by 8 inches long. It's a pretty decent sized drawing, so it took roughly around 3 hours, quite a bit of materials, and I thank you guys once again for watching this video. Comment down below any drawing suggestions because I actually want to do a Deadpool drawing in graphite. So let me know what you guys think of that, and thank you so much for watching.